Damn, can you back up any slower?
Alright. Bought some new equipment, you already know.
Easy.
With the vlog ski.
Damn.
Oh, you just connected.
I don't even know. What's that? 12?
Yo, don't speak broke to me.
Damn.
Alright.
Yo. Wait, do I gotta hold anything?
Yeah, it's gonna get loud.
It's just like this?
Hold on, yo, don't. Yo, show the car, show the car.
Sheesh. Now show your car.
Yo, shitty camera work, alright?
Damn, that's crazy.
What was goody
What
fruity?
happened? What happened?
I'm trying to record an intro here, bro. What's goody fruity? Hey, yo.
Hey, yo.
Oh, alright, so what we have here,
I cut.
we're gonna wash the car, or he gonna wash the car for us. All right?
Yo, you say you pay me, right?
Nah. Alright, so
For
we're gonna take out the bumper. Hopefully we know how to do that. We got the front and the back bumpers.
Yo,
No.
he's talking.
We don't need to. You just turn the wheel.
Yo, you know,
Why didn't you bring the lift? We don't need the lift. Bro, you know how heavy that shit is? The lift?
like, do you know the other lift?
But it's gonna be in the car.
Yo, you know the other lift?
He was speeding, bro.
Left these nuts.
I'd say we're gonna take out the bumper, spray painted. I have the glossy black. You already know.
Yo, I left it.
It's in your trunk. And then I have some blacked out reflectors for the.
Damn. So this is what we're gonna do.
That's another video. That's another video.
We're about to play ball. Yo, leave my wheels alone, man.
It's heavy, right?
He's
What's
jealous.
that red thing?
Huh?
You see this red?
Yo,
Got a laser on you.
yo, for real, the laser's for my car.
What's your first impression?
Damn, bro.
Yeah, bro.
How you feel about it? How you
Damn,
feel
bro,
about it?
his first impression.
Yo, you dirtied up the wheel, man. Did you wash your hands? Yo, I'm not hungry. Alright, yo, let's go and break.
You heard it? Alright, so we got glossy black. You already know. Some cheap shit.
Damn, I thought that was mine.
Burr. This is yours. You're doing the most rice thing.
Damn. I'm trying to get wheels like this.
Yeah, he cracked it.
His louver cracked.
Damn, how you spot that? I crazy glued it. What's the crack? On my ass. Censor it.
Alright, yo, stop messing around.
Turn on your shit. You said it's gonna be loud.
Yeah, it's gonna be. You done fucking around?
Yo, this is my money right here.
Damn, bro.
And then he's gonna be like, yo, I'm gonna miss the reservation.
Why are you doing that? You think I should do the sprays?
The sprays? Yeah, so we gotta clear this thing out too.
Yeah, I could do it right now too. I'll probably just park over there.
Alright, so my car's clean. Clean bean, put it in. Oh.
Yo, I need a shield. Raha, what you doing?
Why are you standing here?
I just washed your car.
Yes, sir, he did.
He said, I just washed your car for free.
Fact.
Now,
Damn, putting in work.
he washed the car and I'm not even done yet. Fuck off.
Nah, he's just trying to flex for the camera.
Yeah, bro.
I saw that.
It was nothing on him. There was nothing on him.
Oh, you gonna do combo?
Yeah, that shit's annoying.
You don't see this fake? What is this, bro?
What? What's
You-
that? It's a lip?
Chrome delete, bro.
He said it's a lip.
That's the rap I did in the last video. I know. That's how I know you didn't watch the video, bro.
I watched it, but I didn't see. I only saw the car wash video and him driving your car. He's like, and then
he skipped it. He skipped it.
The electrical tape. He's like, bro, I'm gonna take this shit off.
Nah, he's scratching the shit out of it.
I already did, bro. Look, right here. You see it?
Oh, damn. Oh.
It's okay. First car.
Yes, sir. Alright, let me see what you're doing.
Alright, record. Back and front.
What is this? Scene.
I tried my best. Everything.
That's it, not too much. We're gonna do more layers. That's it. And then let's go to the front.
Zoom.
That's it.
Damn, 9 more of those?
Bro's just staring at me. Alright, so we got all the screws and everything out. Alright. I'm gonna link everything in the video in the description. Like whatever videos I use.
Yo, shut up and look over here, bro.
Yeah.
This is almost done. I got my mic on too. Damn, his card is broken.
You already know.
His card is broken.
Just gotta disconnect the lights and that's it. Yo, what?
Back with the gay shit. Let's go.
Oh, yo, there's a bug here. Both sides. How you told them don't put too much? It's gonna run.
And then he does it
You're
himself.
doing the opposite. Trying to teach somebody, but you don't know shit.
That ass.
It's not too much. Oh, fuck it.
He said it's not too much.
Don't record this.
Yeah, bro. Everything on video. Oh, shoot. It's not even recording.
Oh my
Psych.
god, bro.
It's recording.
Bro, it's gonna leak right now. You put too much.
I didn't think it was too
We
much.
gotta do layers, bro. Like you told him, but you're not doing it.
For real.
Oh my god.
Yo, why did you do that?
How my shit came out better.
Bro, doing the opposite way.
Damn. What a waste of time.
Look, we could have just put it on here.
Yo,
and
this
start
camera's so
spraying.
nice. What the fuck? I zoomed in and it's so clear.
Where's my paint? Give me the tape.
He puts the tape here and then he.
I know, replace it with the can.
Where you right there, bro. Yo, we're back at it again, bro. With some bullshit. Yo, this is a good ass phone, bro. I'm about to get the 15 right now.
Look these.
This shit zoom in. I see all the pimples.
Pause, bro.
This was already black. I don't know why he painted black.
Yo, why you?
It's not black, bro. You think it's black.
Damn. Damn. Getting canceled
For what?
for these nuts. You know, there's a new brand coming to New Balance. It's something called, like, you know, Bofa.
And both of his nuts.
No, both of these pairs of
Yeah, you
nuts
get
in
the
your
two
mouth.
pairs.
You want to be in the video, bro? Like, he been in the video. The part that he touched it too.
Just cut it out.
Nah, bro, that's gonna be the thumbnail. Yeah, I already had breakfast, guys. Let's get food. Let's get food.
Me too.
Oh shit! I hear the ice cream truck getting closer. Dang, spray painting your grass.
Yo, he's just messing up your content.
Mad childish. So what type of Toyota is this?
You can tell the difference.
Damn. Sean's texting. He said he want to see. FaceTime him. Damn.
What happened? Tell us what's going on here.
Nigga.
Move your arm, bro. What's going on here?
Masterpiece.
Move your arm, bro.
What's going on?
Oh, now look. That's your.
It's my nut stain.
Mm.
Yo, $50.
Yeah, I'm gonna charge you for this bag too.
$50 of work. Oh my god. Wait until the rest fall off by himself. Oh. Oh. Oh.
We
Across
saw
the
that.
car. Across the car.
Alright, so what's going on in the back?
Oh shit.
You played too much.
Damn.
What's going on here? What's going on here?
That's it. I got a new album.
Oh, you fucked it up. Yo, guys, cheap prices, cheap prices.
Yeah. $60 hour.
When you know somebody who's a bit cheap.
This not gonna, you know, it looks nice though. You can see the glossy. Where you going? Where he left. But yeah, you can see the glossiness, you know. I don't know. I low-key like it. I just don't want to do chrome delete. I tried
Yeah, look at the
to
front.
take this off,
But you can't tell though.
but the bolt is chipped. You know, so these can be like sequentials, but they're not going to be yet until I figured that out. Yeah. I'm probably gonna drive home like this. It's probably recording your voice too while I'm talking over there.
Oh yeah? Damn. Yo, cheap prices. Look.
How much is the job?
60 an hour.
16 an hour. That's good.
60, bro.
Oh, 60.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Taxes
I'm
too.
not coming then.
I'm gonna have to do taxes too.
Oh, let's zoom in there. My fault.
Down payment 600.
Yeah,
Oh
yeah,
my
these
god.
changed. You saw this right?
Yeah, so.
It looks nicer though, I'm not gonna lie.
He said it looks good at night.
Huh?
Yeah, at night looks way better.
Yo, we should paint your wheels before you buy new ones, bro.
Bro, that's mad work. You do it then. You do it for me.
I'll
show
do
me.
it for you.
Show me.
We can do it in your house if you want.
Alright, show me, bro.
Alright?
Alright.
He messed it up. And we were like, yo.
Yo, just for the content.
No, just for the content. Kind of lacking right now.
Yo, thank you for the 16 subscribers.
Oh yeah, I have the 16.
You 16?
I don't even know who subscribed though.
Oh shit. 16.
Rob probably
I'll
not
send you-
subscribed.
I'll send you my car. I'll send you some dirty rags.
Ah, there we go. That's it. For $70 an hour, I got
Oh
you.
no, I can see something. Yo, what's this? That's crazy. It looks nice. Nah, from the top. It's always from the top, bro.
Hey, yo. Yo, just wait till I put the wheels on.
Oh yeah, the wheels.
Probably tomorrow now.
Nah, we're painting them now. Oh yeah, the wheel, bro. He's talking about the wheels. Floral.
Probably next year now.
Watch out.
All right, Lil Tom. No, we're just waiting for you.
For real? What do you think about the bumper though?
Bro, it ain't bumping enough.
He lying.
I like it actually. But you got to put it back first.
Yeah, what are you reaching?
You got to put it back and show me.
What phone? It's in my butt. Here. Hey, yo. Oh, yeah, we're also going. Where are we going?
Bro, we're going to Bofa.
What's Bofa?
Both of these.
Kick axe throwing. I
Yo.
don't know if that's it.
What is that?
What is that though?
Is it Manhattan or what?
It's deep though. Nah, it's in like. It's like
What?
past.
Oh, it's
Williamsburg.
Brooklyn, right?
Yeah, it's right here somewhere.
You can just say right here somewhere, bro. Which
Probably
one?
that one. Just type in each one. Bury the hatchet.
That's
what's,
it?
What's the other one? I'm just.
This
I
guy
don't
just,
have the names, bro.
bro.
Nah. So it's bury the hatchet.
So what is your,
We're trying to bury the hatchet.
yo? What's the reservation name? Like, you know, like
Look, just,
the location.
I think this is it. 45 minutes. I thought we were gonna go on the belt. What the fuck?
No,
It's probably traffic right now.
not belt. You better off taking Jack.
Jackie?
I'm gonna jack these in there.
Yeah, unlock your door. I want to sit down. Oh, nice.
We got Michael Jordan.
Oh, damn. Hit it with the Damn. Oh.
Show us the tricks. What if
Yo,
NBA
what's
wants
going
to-
on? Tricks?
Yeah, show us the tricks for the NBA.
You say it feels good?
Yo. It does feel good.
Yo, toss me that towel real quick.
I got Balenciaga though. This one, right?
That one right there.
Yeah. Shit dusty.
Yo, toss it real quick. Toss that towel. Man, you stupid. Nah, for real. Stop playing, stop.
Yo, it's dusty.
Oh, shoot. All right, for real. Toss it. Man, how you felt for the second time? Yo, mad childish.
Oh, nah, what if we stick it in there? Don't
Oh
blow me.
All right, go.
Don't blow me.
Hey, yo.
Put on Max, the one in the... I
Mad
caught it
childish.
too. Nah, put on Max, the other one, yeah.
Where is it?
No. If you put it back, it's just gonna hold it.
Green nut it.
Do a full nut then. Yeah, that's how they throw shorts, no?
Man.
What do you
That's
say to
it?
the channel?
Yo, thank you to 15 subscribers.
What happened to the 16?
One of
That's
them
you.
unfollow you.
That's you.
Nah, he unfollow you. He said you're too childish.
You're supposed to do light coat.
No, because y'all play too much.
Wait, when you do that, does it go air?
Yeah.
Hey, yo. Yeah,
Bro.
I record here.
Bro, where's my mic?
Oh, yeah, where the mic at? Where's the mic at? Bro, it's on me? When did you put it? What the fuck? They're
Yo,
both on.
Yo, you play too much, bro.
Alright, so what are they on?
Yeah.
Oh, my viewers told me. Another
Tell me. Tag the viewer. Tag him.
Yeah, which one are y'all from?
Yo, tag.
Which one are y'all coming from?
Yo, this one, I got in high school. This is where me, I was trying to be cool, alright? Yo, this one was a bird, because he's scared of it. Broccoli chicken.
saying broccoli chicken?
Yeah, this is my grandma's name, so stop fucking around, alright? Alright, that's it. Oh, yo.
Bro's in love with broccoli chicken.
Yo,
Oh, that's Japan in my car.
bro.
That's Japan.
Are you stupid? This is a V6 fan, alright?
Oh, let me do a thumbnail.
Remember, it used to go like this.
His car keep farting.
How you gonna look? He can't even see the exhaust.
Exactly. My birthday coming up. Buy me exhaust.
Dang.
Simple.
Alright, so from now on, we all buy each other car parts.
Alright, okay. So I want a Bugatti engine.
I said car parts.
Yeah, that's a part.
I'm gonna get that shit.
That's okay. Ask for high. He's the
We're
plug.
getting Bugatti car parts.
Ask Shark.
He's camera shy.
He's camera shy.
They're call someone right now.
You're like, yo, I know a guy.
Alright, he's taking too long.
Take it to.
This is right.
Yo, say that
It's
again.
the left
You
side
look-
of the car.
Is he for real?
That's the right side of the
That's
car,
right.
bro. It's the laugh off that he know he's wrong.
Yeah.
Damn. 2 hours later, about to be sunset. Still doing it.
One eternity later.
This is the aftermath of how it looks. You can see some paint chips already. This is like a couple weeks, several weeks. But you see, oh my god. The paint chips are mostly on the logo. Nowhere else. Yeah, these are fine, it's just that I don't like how it looks now. Maybe if this was, you know, silver. I don't know, I've gotten compliments so far, but yeah, I'm not really into it. I bought the new F-Sport grill. We're gonna try and see if it fits in the next video. Yeah, so I got this one right now. See if it fits, hopefully it fits. These supposedly are in the same position, so yeah, catch this in the new video, you know. I gotta paint it too. Maybe I'll keep it like this. I'm not sure, but we'll decide later. But yeah, it's definitely getting replaced.